that if we think about the heavens and the earth, let's think about it for a moment. Let's go macro and then go micro. Let's go macro for a moment. Let's go out. The earth is the third planet among the said 9 planets. I think they just discovered another planet. In our solar system, the Earth is the third planet and how many miles are we from the Sun? It's 93 million miles or something like that. And the Earth is the only planet that has the ecosystems to sustain life. It's the only one. Because if you go to the left, Mercury, it's too hot. If you go to the right, Mars, it's too cold. The Earth has the only ecosystems that support what we call life. And if there is another human being or other higher forms of life or on some other planets, only Steven Spielberg knows about it. Or that station that comes on with that program that comes on with that about the aliens. Just in case you don't know what it is, this is all fiction. And our solar system has a sun, which is a star. And our solar system is dependent upon the energy of that star. It's called the sun. Yet our sun, with all of its brightness and power, it's one of the smallest stars in the Milky Way. Did you know that? One of the smallest. One of the smallest stars in the Milky Way, and the Milky Way itself has 56 billion stars like our sun. And the Milky Way as a galaxy is only one of the smaller galaxies in a nebula. Can you imagine this? And a nebula is made up of trillions of galaxies like our galaxy. And a nebula is only one cluster that we have been able to identify. Mr. Hubble said, you know Mr. Hubble? He said that he sent out light 17 years ago. Now light travels at what speed? 86 million miles per second. Okay, with me. He said that he sent out some signals 17 years ago from his telescope, and in 17 years it has not hit an object in space and bounced back. Now you measure 86 million miles per second times 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 24 hours times 365 days times 17 years. So where's the light right now? It's still traveling through the space where there is order, where there is space, where there is time, where there is dimension, where there is a measurement, where there is design, where there is the evidence of intelligence. Yet that's beyond us. You won't agree? That's beyond us. Now let's go inside. Micro. The Quran makes statement. Verily we have created everything from water. That's what the Creator says in the Quran. 1400 years ago, nearly 1500 years ago, that every living thing has been created from water, but it has been discovered by science today that everything has in it the basis of water. And what is water? H2O. This forms gas. The universe is a form of gas, and everything is formed. That from the smallest thing you can get to water is there. And inside of a drop of water, now we can go all the way to what is called, now they went past the molecule, past the atom, now they went into what is called the quark. can hardly say that the quark is its new dimension of measurement. Quark. Now they get micro quark. All the way down to the DNA. Now they can take a piece of your hair and they can find out everything about you through the DNA map record, genetic map, here from micro all the way from macro. There is what? Dimension, measurement, time, space. Intelligent, it suggests that there is a designer, a sustainer, because how's it all of these being sustained? Has been sustained. It suggests that there is a controller. It suggests that there is a power, a supreme power. There's higher knowledge. There's an ultimate source of accountability. To think otherwise would be absurd, impractical arrogance, or to the point of ignorance.